Hi guys, so today we're gonna make a quick chicken recipe that'll be done in no time. We're gonna make some Casablanca herb chicken. Now in this bowl, I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs that I've cut up into pieces. I'm gonna add in some minced garlic, some turmeric, smoked paprika, a little bit of oregano, a little bit of rosemary, some garlic powder, onion powder, some dried thyme, a pinch of red pepper flakes, and some salt and pepper. And then I'm also going to throw in some fresh chopped parsley. We're going to give that a good mixing. So now in my skillet, I have some olive oil heating up. I'm going to go ahead and add in my chicken. We're going to get this going. After your chicken's cooked for a few minutes, you're going to go ahead and throw in some sliced onions and a red jalapeno. I could not find a red jalapeno anywhere, so I went ahead and diced up a green jalapeno and used it instead. Now we're going to let this continue to cook until our chicken's done and our onions are nice and soft and cooked down. Now right before this is done, you want to add in just a little bit of chicken broth. You want to deglaze that pan and get all that flavor that might be stuck to the pan. You're just going to let it simmer for a couple of more minutes, and that's it. Now, I would say this pairs well with rice. Rice and chicken is always a go-to for me, but I was trying to be different and used rice cauliflower. It's not bad, but you know, if you're going the more healthier route, you can use this rice cauliflower, but I'll be using rice next time. But it's nice and flavorful and herby. It's just a really good meal, you guys. Yum.